Yeah. Okay. So today we'll be starting our next topic, bill of material. Okay. In the bill of material, the topics we are going to cover, they are what we'll see what is bill of material. Okay. What are the different BOM categories available in the system? Okay. What is BOM status and the BOM usage? How to create the bill of material? Okay. What is the data maintained in the BOM? Okay. BOM header data, BOM item data, BOM item data. What is item category? What is the importance of it? We'll understand. What is single level BOM and what is multi-level BOM? You'll understand that one. And what is alternate BOM? Okay, what is alternate BOM or multiple BOM? Why they are used? We'll understand. What is recursive BOM? What is recursive BOM? Where it is used? Okay, and then we'll see low level code. What is low level code? Why it is used? We'll understand. Then we'll see some of the important reports in bill of materials. Okay, and if time permits, we'll see configuration related to bill of material. So these are the topics we'll be covering in bill of material today. Okay, so what is bill of material? Okay, so bill of material is a comprehensive, formally structured list of components that make up an object. Okay, so the list contains a description and an object number for each object together with the quantity and unit of measure. So basically, bill of material gives you the list of components required to manufacture a product. Okay, so let's say you are manufacturing a cycle, you require some components. Okay, you require pedal, tire, bulb, handle, seat, all those things. So these things you will maintain in the bill of material. So it will contain object number, component number, okay, its description, okay, and its quantity required and unit of measure. Okay, so this is the material code, its quantity and its unit of measure. Like this, you will maintain all the components required to manufacture a product. So with this bill of material, production people will come to know for a particular material, for a particular product to manufacture, what components they require and in what quantities. That's what the bill of material is. Okay, so let's say you want to manufacture cycle. So to manufacture cycle, what you require all these things: rim, spokes, pedals, okay, chain, tubes, okay, wheels, brakes, all those things you require, right? So all these things you'll put it in the bill of material. Okay, so if you go to another one, let's say you want to manufacture laptop. Okay, so to manufacture laptop, what you require? You require keyboard, touchpad, okay, motherboard, okay, battery, all those things you require. So these things, webcam, all those things you require, right? So these things you'll put it in the BOM of the laptop. That's what the bill of material is defined in the system. Okay, so now before going into the bill of material creation, we need to understand some terminology. Okay, so now terminology, like whatever the header material, the product you are going to manufacture, so that is called header material, and sometimes it is called as assembly. Okay, assembly. Now the components, the materials which are required to manufacture the product, sometimes they call it as parts. In some industries they call it as parts. In some industries they call it as components. In some industries they call it as items. Terminology differs from organization to organization. Okay, but the basically they are components. Okay, so in some industries they call parts, in some industries they call components, in some industries they call it as items. They are nothing but input materials. Okay, so now we need to start with BOM usage. So what is BOM usage? Okay, so BOM usage means the bill of material usage allows you to create separate BOMs for the various areas within the company, for example engineering or production. Okay, so basically with the BOM usage, what you can do is, for the same material you can create different BOMs to use in different areas in the organization. Let's say you have a material BOM. Okay, this material, for a particular material BOM, you can create One BOM you can create for using in production, one BOM you can use it in engineering, okay, one BOM in sales and distribution, okay, one BOM in costing. Okay, so by using this BOM usage, you can create separate BOMs for separate applications in the organization. When we go to the practicals, we'll see that. Okay, so that is the use of BOM usage. So when you're creating the BOM, you'll give BOM usage. Okay, so now BOM categories. What is BOM categories? So BOM categories defines the connection to an object. Okay, so now in the SAP system, BOMs are not only used in PP module, they are also used in other modules. Like let's say you are manufacturing a material, so that is called material BOM. So in the material BOM contains what materials are required to manufacture that particular product. Those are called material BOMs. Now there are order BOMs. Order BOMs are used in SD module. Like let's say your customer is giving a sales order. So when the customer is giving the sales order, he will give the list of components we need to use to manufacture the product. Okay, so he will give his list to manufacture the product. So those are called order BOMs. The sales order itself, he will give the sales order, and in the sales order he will give his list of components we need to use to manufacture the product. So that is called sales order. Okay, now at the same time there is a document structure. In that also you give all the documents. Now equipment BOM, this is used in plant maintenance module. So there you create a BOM for equipment. So in the equipment BOM, you will have all the list of parts of that particular equipment. It will give you the structure of the equipment. So like this, BOM category will tell you the object for which you are creating BOM. Okay, so if you see here, in the PP material BOM, you create the BOM for a material. Okay, whereas in sales, you create the BOM for sales order, not for the material. You create a BOM for sales order. This is a different category. Okay, now in the plant maintenance, you create a BOM for equipment, not for material. So it is called equipment BOM. At the same time, you can create a functional location BOM also. These two are used in plant maintenance. Okay, like this, different BOMs categories are used in different areas, different applications. Okay, but as for PP, we will be concentrating only on material. We will be concentrating only on this material. Okay, the other BOM categories are used in other modules, so we will not be concentrating on those things at this moment. Okay, so these are the BOM categories. Okay, so now this is the BOM structure. Now let's go to the system and we'll start creating the BOM. We'll create the BOM. Okay, so now I think it might have disconnected. Just wait. Okay, so the transaction codes to create the BOM, they are create CS01. Okay, now change, it is CS02. Okay, now display, it is CS03. Okay, so these are the transaction codes to create the BOM, change and display. Okay, so I'll take the materials which are already there in the system, which we created yesterday. Okay, so this is the we created one yesterday, this one, let's say Pepsi 500 ml bottle we created yesterday. Okay, or this we created. We'll take this material, or this 1 liter bottle. It's not having BOM. Let me just check once. CS03. It's already having BOM, so let's forget that. We will use this material, Pepsi bottle 500 ml. Okay, we will start creating the BOM for this. Okay, so what you need to do is the transaction code is CS01. I'll show you the navigation part. Go to logistics, production, master data, bill of material, material BOM, CS0. See, of course you have the other BOM categories also, document structure, equipment BOM, functional location BOM, order BOM, all those things which you have seen, the BOM categories. But we will be creating only material BOM. Okay, so now here go to CS01, create. You enter your product which you are going to manufacture. Okay, enter your product. This is the product I am going to manufacture. Enter that product, enter the plant, in which plant you are going to manufacture. Now the BOM usage. So BOM usage, in which area, in which application of the organization this BOM is going to be used. Okay, so already there are some usages are there. We will be using normally one. Okay, normally one production. Okay, alternative BOM we'll discuss further when we go into the further topics. As of now, you enter this data, then you enter. Okay, system will take you to this screen. System will take you to this screen. Here you will be entering the components to require to manufacture this particular product. So normally Pepsi bottle 500 ml to manufacture it, what do you require? You require normally solution, bulk solution. Okay, now after that what you require? You require empty bottle, and then you require caps, bottle caps. So these things you require. Okay, I'm replicating this scenario. Okay, this one. Let's say you have manufacturing Pepsi 1 liter bottle. Okay, so you require bulk solution inside it, you require empty bottle, and you require a cap. Okay, so those things we will be putting in the BOM. So let's go to BOM. So we'll start entering it one. Item category we'll discuss. When we create the BOM, we'll discuss what is item category. Okay, as of now I'm entering L as the item category. Okay, now you enter the components. So let's say I have the components already ready. Let's say I have Pepsi bulk solution. One semi-finished product is there. I'm entering it as this one. Okay, 1. As of now I'm maintaining it as 1. I'll explain you why I'm maintaining 1. Okay, now let's say next one, you require empty bottle. So empty bottle, already we have material master. If you go to the packaging material, empty bottle. Okay, empty bottle we have. Okay, I'll take this. Okay, now one more thing is you require cap. Okay, so bottle cap. Okay, so this is how you create the bill of material. So you enter all the components required along with their quantity. Unit of measure will come from material master automatically. So you enter all the components. Along with their along with their quantities, and once all the data is entered, you will be saving the BOM. Okay, so this is how you create the bill of material. Okay, once you create, if you want to make any changes, you go to CS02. And you can change it. Suppose let me go to change mode. Okay, enter. Here the most important thing you need to understand is this is called item overview. Now here you have two types of data. Okay, so BOM structure will contain header data, and it will contain the item data. Item data is nothing but input components data. Okay, so now how to see the header data, how to see the item relevant data, we will understand. Okay, so to go to header data, you need to click on this button, header. There is a button called header. Are you able to see? You need to go to that. Here you will have the BOM header data. Change material BOM header overview. Here you have material. Okay, plant you have. Whenever you create a BOM, system will assign a BOM number to it. Okay, this is the BOM number, system only will assign, and there is a alternate BOM created. Alternate BOM got created. Okay. Now whenever I create one more BOM for the same material, then alternate BOM will become 2. We'll discuss that in a minute. BOM usage we have discussed anyhow. It is production. Now the most important thing here is base quantity. Okay. Here the meaning is to manufacture one bottle of Pepsi bottle, one number of Pepsi bottle 500 ml, you require these items. These items with these quantities. This is very important. Now here what I'm doing is I'm just changing the header. I'm putting it as base quantity 2 to manufacture two pieces of Pepsi bottle 500 ml. Now you require 1 liter of Pepsi bulk solution, 2 empty bottles, okay, and 2 bottle caps. That's what I'm doing, because 500 ml become 1 liter, right? So it is 1 liter, but 2 bottles means 2 empty bottle, 2 bottle caps. That's how you define the relationship. So defining the base quantity is very much crucial, during the BOM creation. Okay, based on this only the relationship will work. So this is the base quantity. Okay, other than this BOM status, we'll discuss BOM status in a minute. What is BOM status, why it is used. Okay, now apart from this, you can maintain some additional data here, okay, if required. Next tab is admin data. Here admin data, who created it, valid from to date, who created it, created from, on which date it is created, this BOM, from which ID it is created, okay, who changed it last, from which ID it got changed. All those things you can, it will show over here. Now the next one is document assignment. Here if you want to assign any documents to this BOM, you can assign it. You should have a component called DMS, Document Management System. Okay, so first you create the document in the document management system, and then you will assign the document over here. Okay, so this is the, what do you say, header data. This is the header data. Okay, now once the header data is there, you want to see the item data, first you need to go to items. Click on the item button, you will have the items. Now to see the data of a particular item, you can go to the item data. So select the particular item. Let's say I select first item, and you click on this button, the item. So it will take you to the item data. See, this data, whatever you are able to see, only relevant for this component. So item number, component, okay, its quantity, its unit of measure, and there are some other indicators are there. Co-product, recursiveness allowed, all those things. These indicators we'll discuss when we go to the further topics like our MRP, production execution. During that time we will discuss all these indicators. Okay, administration, again for this component, when it is added, okay, when it is changed last, and for if you want to assign any document exclusively for this component, you can assign it over here. Okay, so this is called item data. So you have header data which is applicable for the entire BOM. Header data will be applicable for the entire BOM, whereas item data will be applicable only for that particular item, for that particular component. Okay, so this is the item data and header data and item data. Okay, now the next one we will be discussing is BOM status. What is BOM status? So BOM status controls BOM processing in different application areas. Okay, when you configure your system in customizing, under bill of material define, you define the BOM status. Okay, so you define status for different indicators that allow or disallow BOM processing. Let's say you have BOM with status A. So status A means, let's say, you can use it in both MRP and your production plan and released for planned order. Whereas BOM B, you cannot use it in MRP. Okay, so that kind of statuses you configure in the BOM status. So now if you see the BOM status, let me go to the BOM again. Here if you go to the header, see there is a BOM status. If you go to the list, okay, now if you see the BOM status 1, it can be used in all the areas. It is activated in all applications, MRP, planned order, costing, okay, it released for production, okay, sales order. It's activated in all the applications. Whereas if you see BOM 2, it cannot be used anywhere. Even though BOM is there, still you cannot use it, as it is inactive in all the areas. So based on your requirement, you activate in particular areas and you deactivate in particular areas, applications. Okay, So this BOM status you create in configuration. When we go to configuration, we'll see how to create the BOM status. Okay, so this is the BOM status. Okay, like this. So BOM status, now again you can have for entire BOM. BOM status you can have for the entire BOM header at header status, at header level, like it is whether it is allowed in MRP, costing, operation assignment, production orders, sales orders, all those things. Or you can, for the item also you can have the status. For a particular item also you can have the status, BOM status. Okay, I'll show you that. Suppose if you go to the item, let's go to the items, components. So if you take the component, any one of the component, if you go to the item data, go to the status long text. See, item status, it is there. Whether it is production relevant or not, engineering relevant or not, all those status you can maintain here. Okay, whether it is relevant for costing or not, so those things you maintain here. Okay, so this is the BOM status. So BOM status you can set up at header level, or for particular item also you can set up the BOM status. Okay, now the next one is item category. So when we are creating the BOM, we are giving the item category, second column. This is item number, second column is item category. So we will understand what is this item category. Okay, so item category, the item category defines the features and functions of an item. So the item category identifies whether special data must be processed and controls further system activities. Okay, so the item category controls, is it necessary to enter a material? Does the item support quantity-based inventory management? Okay, are both plus and minus signs are supported, or sub-items supported, or which screens are selected, and how does the screen layout of the item details screens? So all these things are controlled by item category. Suppose if you see here, so before that, what are the item categories available? So these are the item categories available. If you see here, you have stock item, you have non-stock item, variable size item, text item, document item, class item, PM structure element, intra element. So these are the item categories available in the system. Okay, so we will understand how they are used. So suppose if you see here, so these are the ones which I have shown you. Okay, as of now I used stock item. So suppose, let's say if I use L, if I enter, let's say fourth component, if I enter L, the moment I enter L and enter, see what error here, what message system is throwing, material is required entry for item category L. That means whenever you are using L, stock item, you should enter a material code. Otherwise system will not allow. Okay, so I'll enter one of the material code. I'm just entering a randomly one material code. Okay, I'm entering. So whenever you are entering item category as L, stock item, system is asking for the material code. Suppose let's say I'll delete this. Now I'll use item category as N, non-stock item. The moment I use non-stock item, the moment I enter, see what's happening? Did system is asking for the component number? No, it's not asking. It is asking only for quantity. So let's say I enter quantity as 1, let's say. Okay, the moment I enter 1, now what's happening? It's asking for the description. Okay, let's say stickers, bottle stickers. Let's say I'll enter bottle stickers. That means on the bottle I'm going to paste a sticker. This sticker on the day will come, you will directly consume. You will not be maintain a stock of this. Printed stickers will come to me along with the batch number, manufacturer